everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's so great seeing you again. If you're not familiar with me or my channel, my name is Dan and welcome. It's been ages, like seriously, I know I said it every time, but oh my god, it feels like a small vacation. Today DIY inspired by Pinterest and Tumblr. I want to call it the ultimate DIY because you know what? It can use as a planter, it can use as a fire pit if you place there a candle or a candle holder, which is the same thing. It can use as a jewelry plate, you name it. So yeah, that is the ultimate room decoration inspired by Pinterest and Tumblr. I don't know, I will find the title, promise. Anyway, let's get started, shall we? First you will need a slab of wood. I chose beautiful red oak. Before working with wood, by the way, make sure to polish the slab on both sides, then cut to equal pieces. After 22 pieces, well, I'm extra, sand those parts with 400 grit sanding paper for fine results. By the way, be very careful, I sanded my thumb once and it is nasty. Here you can see the before and after. Moving on, you will need the wood glue and 3 clamps. Take 2 pieces at a time and apply glue on the top part of one rod and press it on the side of the other rod using clamp. Wipe off any glue marks and wait for 30 minutes. Now you're supposed to have 3 pieces of 90 degrees angle. Lay them on the same side so you will not get confused, and start joining them together with the glue. After waiting 30 minutes again, you now have a beautiful geometric stand. Moving on to the concrete ball. Grab 2 sides of half Boho mold and grease them up. I'm using quick dry cement. Gradually add water until you get runny peanut butter consistency. Pour into the bigger mold and tap to release any air bubbles. Add the smaller mold on top and secure with tape. After 24 hours, release the concrete ball from the mold and paint with your desired choice of color. I went on gold acrylic paint. And because the paint was a little bit sheer, I needed 3 layers, but it came out amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, make sure to give this video and take a break. And if you do like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more future video in the future, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.